OMESER BR151 Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Powerful, efficient, and affordable cleaning. The OMESER BR151 Robot Vacuum Cleaner is a versatile and efficient cleaning solution designed to keep your home spotless with minimal effort. This robot vacuum combines powerful suction with intelligent features like app control, wet mopping, and automatic recharging, offering a comprehensive cleaning experience at an exceptional value. Key features: 3-in-1 cleaning. Simultaneously vacuums, sweeps, and mops your floors for a thorough clean. Powerful 6,000 Pascal suction. Delivers strong suction to lift dirt, debris, and pet hair from floor surfaces. App control. Control and schedule cleaning sessions, monitor cleaning progress, and customize settings from your smartphone. Wet mopping. Includes a water tank for wet mopping, leaving your floors clean and refreshed. Automatic recharging. Returns to its charging base automatically when the battery is low, ensuring it's always ready to clean. Smart navigation. Bow cleaning. Follows a systematic cleaning path for efficient coverage. Ambient cleaning. Cleans along edges and walls. Fixed point cleaning. Focuses on specific areas that need extra attention. Regular cleaning. Allows you to schedule cleaning sessions. Obstacle avoidance and fall prevention. Intelligently navigates around obstacles and prevents falls from stairs. Anti-hair entanglement. Designed to minimize hair entanglement, ensuring smooth operation. Carpet pressurization. Automatically increases suction power when it detects carpets for a deeper clean. Voice control. Compatible with voice assistance for hands-free operation. Why choose the OMESER BR151? The OMESER BR151 offers a compelling combination of features, performance, and affordability. It provides the same or similar functionalities as higher-priced brands, but at a significantly lower cost, making it an excellent value for budget-conscious consumers. Perfect for. The OMESER BR151 is suitable for a variety of floor types, including wooden flooring, ceramic tile flooring, carpets. This robot vacuum is a great choice for anyone seeking a convenient and effective way to maintain clean floors without spending a fortune.